Hey, what's up, y'all? It's your girl, TheKeyisME, and I am back again with another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you this quick, to me, I like to call it a 5-minute sew-in. So you pretty much don't have to sit down for an hour and some change to actually get a look like this anymore because of, well, not even anymore, because U-part wigs have kind of been around, but they're starting to come back. So to me, I like to call it a 5-minute sew-in because it is a U-part wig. This wig that I am going to be rocking is going to be coming from a West Kiss hair. I didn't really have to do too much to my hair, to be honest with you all. I didn't even braid my hair down. Y'all know how I do when I'm doing the quick styles. Sometimes I just like to just put it in a ponytail if I am on the go, like today. Y'all know when it comes to bobs are really in every season. I love how sleek and how chic bobs are. So you can pretty much rock a bob no matter what season we are in. And I love how this bob not only gives me that blunt cut, but it's a long blunt cut. So I absolutely love the shaping of this wig. So what I love so much about these U-part wigs is, of course, it gives you that versatility and it gives you that quickness that you need when you are literally on the go and you don't want to do too much to your hair. I love the fact that these wigs are removable, so you could take them off and put them right back on without any hassle. Everything is just with ease, and of course they are beginner friendly. So I'm gonna stop rambling and I'm gonna show you exactly how I install this wig. I'm going to show you the packaging, of course, and the construction of this wig, as well as some cute headband pieces and scarves that they gave me with my package of this hair. So stick around for the styling and the rest of this video. One thing that I wanted to point out is with the construction of this wig, you want to make sure on their website they're going to have 3 different choices for you as far as the parting of your U-part wig. You can choose a middle part, you can choose a left or right side part. So the one that I have is a middle part. However, in this video, you see here me starting with the right side of my head, just giving myself a side part. As you can see, is going to create a high-low bob effect for the simple fact that when they constructed the wig, they made it into a middle part, meaning it's symmetrical down the middle only. But I just wanted to show you the different styles that you can actually do with this wig. If you're like one of those people like me, I don't have a issue with wearing a asymmetrical bob. So I love it like this, but you're going to see in the rest of the video, I am going to show you what it looks like down the middle as well. Went ahead and added edge control to this style, and to be honest with y'all, I don't really like edge control. I'm still having a hard time trying to find one that's not as oily and greasy as this looks in this video, so please excuse that. in this video because I know it's going to give off a glow effect because I just put the product on my hair. But as you can see, this is the side part. We are going to move right into the middle part. And then, of course, I'm going to show you some of the headband pieces that came in my package. I'm absolutely in love with this wig. I love how flawlessly I was able to install it in a matter of no time. I could literally just take it off whenever I want to and put it right back on. Love it, love it, love it. Y'all already know I'm leaving everything down in the description box below. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. If you could please like, comment, subscribe, and share. And I look forward to seeing you in my next video.